How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I find the most precise tops and the most precise bottoms in the stock market. And I'm going to discuss how I do that, but I want to discuss ticker SPY, one of the most widely, highest volume tickers in the stock market, and I want to discuss why I see a reversal very soon on this thing. So, without further ado, let's go right to the charts and let's see exactly what I see here. Okay, so ticker SPY, we have had a lot of down days, or like pretty volatile down days recently. And with this strategy, this is what I'm trying to see here. I'm going to look at the daily candle chart here, and there is a massive room to the upside here. And I'll show you exactly why. So with the reversal strategy, you have the red band for the sell zone and the green band for the buy zone. So, as you can see, when we got close to this red band, it sold off pretty fast and got to your blue band. This blue band is your reversion to the mean. Now, I'll discuss all these indicators, how to set it all up in my free Discord, which I'll get to near the end of this video. But this is known as the Keltner channels, and I customized just these settings here. Now, indexes, they especially the SP 500, you're not going to see usually a break in one of these bands. Not usually. Usually you're going to see it get close and then it's going to rally. So, like as you can see like right here, it didn't touch the red band but it sold off pretty fast. I like to see, honestly, if it gets a little closer, this could rally pretty high. And what you want to see also, not saying you base your trades on this, but the RSI is at 30. When's the last time we just had an RSI of 30? Was way back in 2022 of September. So literally a year ago we had this. And it was right over here, right here. So right here is where it actually did get close to the bands. And then you had this big 2% move and that little fake out and then back to the blue band. What you got to remember is price wants to magnet to the blue band. So this move right here to here is a massive move for an option if you did calls. So I'm actually trying to see. So that was in September, and then we had another one in January of 2022 where it was oversold and it went back to the middle. So it doesn't happen much with SP 500 with the SPY. So when it does happen, you want to get ready for calls. So looking at this, there is very little room to the downside. If people are already into SPY and have some calls, awesome. I do think it's going to rally. It could rally tomorrow, the next day, but there's very little to the downside. And if you chose some options that were just, a little farther expiration, I think at least a 1 month expiration, you're fine. But yeah, you want to check these bands right here. You get a really good sell signal right here. We're getting very close to a buy signal. And just judging it by support and resistance, if you put your line over at this base right here, the big support at 422.95, price is 425.88. So there's like big support and very little to the downside right here, guys. I'm loving it. And these bands have always been good. I have won many trades. Honestly, we're at, no joke. I'm not trying to be egotistic, but we are at a 100% win rate because of how well these bands work. And this is an index we're using. Usually, I would do like stocks, but when SPY shows me a good buy signal, I'm going to alert it, and I'm loving it. This is awesome. This is setting up for a big, massive rally. And you can expect the middle band, which is at 439 right now. So massive move if you did calls. Okay, so now if you want to join the free Discord that I was talking about, here's the free Discord. I will not let anybody pay monthly subscriptions. I don't need anybody's money. I do this out of my kindness. A lot of people charge lots of money for services like this, but I'm releasing this out now for free. And just to have the retail for once, win. That way you know what levels you're buying. You're not buying just random zones. But we have trade alerts. I actually got into Dollar General and FMC. You can see these images right here. Today, we're going to look to make massive amounts of money on that. But Spy is definitely on the watch list. I have a watch list right here that discusses all each trades I would take, and that setup video, which you will want to watch if you want to have your charting system look exactly like mine. But yeah, this is all free. I hope you guys will join. It's fun talking to traders, educating people. I've been in this for a very long time, many years, and back tested this strategy a lot, and I think you're gonna like it. But as you know, when price gets closer to the band, the better the buy signal is. When price gets closer to this red band, the bigger the sell signal. As you can see, bam, gets closer, bam, sells off. Price always goes back to this middle band. There's lots of room to the middle band. This is looking amazing. Massive move to the upside, and this is based on facts. This is not just assumptions. This is based on what I see in the history, and this is the best precise technical analysis you'll probably find. And I hope you guys join the free Discord. I don't mind releasing this free stuff out and to help other people out. All right, I'll see you then. If you also like to subscribe, helps the algorithm. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Oh, and the Discord will be in the. I forgot to say, will be in the YouTube chat and the description of the YouTube, so you'll find it there. Have a great day. Reversal Trader King out.